Was shaking, guys. So I've gotten pretty good at this. I'm getting better in these the crypto and traditional markets. I got to start doing more. I've gotten a few 50% accuracy. Got to keep up. Let's see the ones that I've gotten. Only answered, done. I don't know how to do this. Closed. Boom, accurate 33 points on the ARC, 41 points on gas, 50 points on ontology. I was wrong on Q-Link. It did not trade, I'm guessing, huh? Will Q-Link trade below? So it did trade below. I was right on IOTA. It did trade below. I was right on the E-mini, S&P. 47 points I got on that. I was like, boom, almost right on the money, sort of. 50 points on this one. Getting better. Got to start keeping up with all of them now. Let's start doing these, guys. All questions. Okay, Euro to US dollar exchange rates settled at $1.1698 at 7 p.m. So 3 p.m. my time on Friday, September 28th. In your opinion, what will be the maximum and minimum price of Euro to USD from 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. Monday, October 1st? 3 a.m. my time. 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. my time. Let's check out the charts. I love that song, guys. Okay, so it's in the last day, it's been going down, huh? It's at $1.16 basically right now. I'm gonna say $1.16.1 to $1.15.7. $1.15.7 to $1.16.1. $1.15.7 to $1.16.1. That's my forecast. Okay, British pound to US dollar exchange rate. What will be the maximum minimum price? 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. my time, October 1st. Let's check out the charts. So it's also going down. US dollar's gaining, huh? So $1.30 it's at now. I think it's going to continue the trend going down. Although it's gone 4 days down in the past, so it could go again. I'm going to go $1.30. I'm going to go $1.37 to $1.30 exactly. $1.30 to $1.37. $1.30 to $1.37. Not much difference there. Okay, the cryptocurrency decentralized Mana to BTC settled at 117 satoshis. 12:30 p.m. My time at the Binance Exchange on Sunday, September 30th. In your opinion, will Mana to BTC trade above 127 at any time before October 9th? What's the trend? Volatile, up and down, up and down. Looks like it's starting to go up. I'm going to say by October 9th, so 9 days from now. Will it trade above 1,270 satoshis? Right now it's at 1,116. We'll go 1,270. Good question. I think it won't. I don't think it's going to go above there. Last time it was there was like the 14th. Actually, it looks like August. Last time I was there was back in August, like August 12th. Usually towards the end of the year, things start to rise though, right? But I'm just going to go balls to the wall and say 31. I don't think it's going to raise that much. 31. Okay, and then we got the cryptocurrency Bitcoin Cash settled at $537.50, 12:30 p.m. my time at Bitfinex on Sunday, September 30th. Will Bcash trade above $586 earlier than trading below $489. It had a pretty significant spike recently, the last few days, but I think it's going to trade below 489 then before it does 591. I think so. I'm on the bear move. I think I'm going to go same thing, 30%. Okay, E-mini S&P 500 futures settled at $2,909.75, 8 a.m. my time on February 28th. In your opinion, will E-mini S&P 500 futures drop below $2,845 at any time before October 31st? 2,845, huh? Well, let's check out the charts. 2,845. Will it do that at any time in October, basically? 2,845. Last time it was there, dang, it's Trading View. Last time it was there, it was like here on this date, the 16th of August. It's been on a general uptrend. Even by the weeks. I don't think it will. I think it's going to continue its rise. So crypto markets seem to be going down, but these E-mini, I'm going to go 24 or 25, whatever. Forecast that. Okay, euro to US dollar exchange rate settled at $1.16 at 3 p.m. on Friday, September 28th. In your opinion, will euro to US dollar exchange rate trade below $1.15, 15.2 USD at any time before October 6th? There's a chart. It crashed recently. Dollar gain in strength, $1.15.2 anytime before October 6th. In the next week, it's pretty dang close to being there. But is it going to start rising? That's a tough one. I think it's going to, but not that confident. 56. Okay, British pound to US dollar exchange rate settled at $1.30, 34, 30 cents and 30.4 cents, 3 p.m. on Friday. In your opinion, will British pound to US dollar exchange rate trade above $32.3 cents at any time before October 6th? 32.3. It's starting to go on an uptrend. That's in the weeks by days. 32.3. It was just there a few days ago. It could rise back up. It seems to be starting to go back on an uptrend here by the weeks, but it could crash back down. Could this be the turning point for British pounds? I'm not that confident, but I think it will. 55. British pound to US dollar exchange rate settled at $1.30.4 USD, 3 p.m. my time, September 28th. In your opinion, will British pound trade below $1.28 anytime before October 6th? I think it will. I think it could, but I'm not that confident. 55. Euro to US dollar exchange rate settled at $1.16.095 USD, 6 a.m. my time, 7 a.m. my time on Friday. In your opinion, will euro to US dollar exchange rates trade above $1.17.2 USD anytime before October 6th? Again, I'm not that confident. 56. E-mini S&P 500 futures settled at $2,909.75 USD, 8 a.m. my time on Friday, September 28th. In your opinion, will E-mini S&P 500 futures trade above $2,987 at any time before October 31st. Does seem to be going on a big rise, this traditional market. I'm going to go 60%. 60%. Give me that 10 points. Weekly gold futures settled at $1,195.50 at 8 p.m. Universal Time Central on Friday, September 28th. In your opinion, what will be the minimum and the maximum price of gold futures in the following 5 days from 1:30 p.m. Universal Time Central on Monday, October 1st, until 8 p.m. Universal Time Central on Friday, October 5th? The minimum and maximum price. In about a week's time, 2 days, 5 days, 2 days less than a week, 5 days. Every week it's been going on a downtrend, except basically this week it could stabilize. Seems to be going up and down, up and down, up and down. The minimum maximum price in the next 5 days. Let's go 1,180 to 1,200. 1,180 to $1,200. That's my forecast. Okay, now we got WTI crude oil futures settled at $73.47, 8 p.m. Universal Time Central on Friday, September 28th. In your opinion, what will be the minimum and the maximum price of WTI crude oil futures in the following 5 days from 1:30 p.m. Universal Time Central on Monday, October 1st, until 8 p.m. Universal Time Central on Friday, October 5th? Seems to be going on an uptrend here. Minimum, maximum. Let's go 72. Because, in the past 5 days, it rose from 1, 2, 3, 4. It rose from basically 72 to 73.50. Or 71 to 73.50. Let's go 72 to 74.50. 72, 74.50. So weekly E-mini S&P 500 futures settled at $2,919 at 8 p.m. September 28th. And what are your opinion? What was the minimum maximum price of E-mini S&P 500 futures in the following 5 days? Let's check it out. Dang it, Bloomberg, I want to see Trading Views chart. In 5 days, what will it be? E-mini S&P 500 futures. In the past 5 days, it went from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 29. The lowest, it was like 29.10 to 29.35. I'm gonna go 29.20 to 29.45. 29.20. I'm going to go 29.50 actually. 29.20 to 29.50. Alright, E-mini S&P 500 futures was there. In your opinion, what will be the minimum maximum price of E-mini S&P futures from 1:30 p.m. So just tomorrow, in that 7.5 hour time period. Just in that 7.5 hour time period. Let's check out the candlestick charts. I'm thinking it's going to be the minimum maximum price, 29.20 to 29. It's coming up in the next few hours here. Let's go 29.30 to 29.45. 29.30 to 29.45. $15 range. The crypto asset Ethereum settled at $235.20 at the Bitfinex exchange at 10:30 a.m. Universal Time Central on Sunday, September 30th. What will be the minimum and the maximum price of Ethereum to USD from 12:01 a.m. Universal Time Central on Monday, October 1st, until 11:59 p.m. Universal Time Central on Sunday, October 7th. So a week time frame. What's Ethereum going to be at? Let's check it out. It's been all over the place, but mostly in a downtrend by weeks. Hasn't been moving very much the last 3 weeks. Let's check it by days. I think it's going to go from 280 to 230. I think it's going to be going up. Sometimes it's been going up. 230 to 280. Let's go with that. Hope so. Come on, Ethereum. You be the one to rise. All right, the cryptocurrency Bitcoin settled at $6,605.90 at 10:30 a.m. Universal Time Central at Bitfinex Exchange on Sunday, September 30th. What will be the maximum and the minimum price of BTC to USD from 12:01 a.m. Universal Time Central on Monday, October 1st until 11:59 p.m. Universal Time Central on Sunday, October 7th. Check the chart. By weeks, it hasn't moved much in the last 4 weeks. By days, we got that. What's going to be next week? It could be 60. I hope Bitcoin rises again. 65.50 to 67.50. Just in that range. It's gone more than that though. 65.50 to 68.50. I think it's going to start rising. 65.50 to 68.50. The cryptocurrency Ripple settled at 9,251 Satoshis at Binance Exchange at 10:30 a.m. Universal Time Central on Sunday, September 30th. What will be the minimum and the maximum price of XRP to BTC from 12:00 in that week time frame, October 1st to October 7th? So we've been having some major rises in Ripple recently. Just this 3 weeks ago, it freaking rose like crazy, doubled. Let's see here. Are we going to continue to see an uptrend here? It's definitely plausible. It could tank again, though. I'm going to go minimum. Man, dude, I don't know. What's it going to do? $7,500 to $8,500. Let's go with that. 0.0007500. 0.0008500. 2, 4. Oh wait, no. 1 there. 2, 4, 6, 8. I think so. Let's do that. Cryptocurrency Cindicator, CND, to BTC settled at 329 Satoshis, right? 2468, right? It's 2468 decimal places at 8 p.m. Universal Time Central at the Binance Exchange on Sunday, September 30th. What will be the maximum price of Cindicator from 8 p.m. Universal Time Central on September 30th until the 31st of December 2018? Okay, let's check the chart here. By weeks, it's having a downtrend, even by months. Is it going to go crazy at the end of the year again? I don't know. Like it did last year, December 2018, it freaking rose like mad. The maximum price of Cindicator at December 31st. I'm just going to go 750. I don't think it's going to be as crazy as 2018. 750. 0.0000750. It looks like you are trying to submit too wide a range for this financial instrument. We encourage you to open the chart and the useful links. Why do you think it's too wide of a range? The maximum price. You think that's too wide of a range? You don't think that's legit? It's settled at 329. You think that 750 is too high? Okay, what about 550? You're fine with that? Okay, Cindicator. The cryptocurrency market capitalization settled at $2,230 7:30 B, 223 B USD at 7:30 p.m. Universal Time Central on Sunday, September 30th. In your opinion, will the market cap climb above 245 B? What's the B? Billion USD at any time before October 16th. You think that? Yeah, that's what the B is. You think maybe it's going to rise? Is there a chart for the whole capitalization? There is. So will it rise above 245 billion before October 16th? I can't see it by days for some reason. It's not letting me look at it by days. It's kind of lame. There it is. Okay. 7 by week time frame, by month time frame. It hasn't hit 245 billion since last year, dude. Okay, maybe in August actually it was there. It was above there. Beginning of July, so it's been going down. It did rise last year. Man, I'm conflicted. Is it going to rise above 245 billion? I'm not sure, dude. I'm going to go 57%. Okay, the cryptocurrency Cindicator settled at there. 329 Satoshis, 8 p.m. Universal Time Central, Binance. September 30th, what will be the minimum price of CND to BTC from 8 p.m. Universal Time Central on September 30th until the 31st of December. The minimum price. 300. 0.00000300. 8 decimal places, right? 2468. Okay. Bitcoin crypto market share settled at 51.3% at 7:30 p.m. Universal Time Central on Sunday, September 30th. In your opinion, will Bitcoin's market share drop below 48.7%, minus 5% at any time before October 30th? I don't think so. 39, that's fine. Bitcoin crypto market share settled at 51.3%. In your opinion, will Bitcoin's market share climb above 53.9% at any time before October 30th? I don't even think it's going to rise that high either. I think it's going to remain about the same, 40%. The cryptocurrency market capitalization settled at 223 billion USD at 7:30 p.m. Universal Time Central on Sunday, September 30th. In your opinion, will the market cap drop below 201 billion, minus 10% at any time before October 16th? I don't think so. I think this is going to be a rather dull month. I don't think it's going to change very much. Costco Wholesale Corporation will report its Q4 earnings on Thursday, October 4th. How are they going to report the Q4 earnings when it's not even the end of the fourth quarter? Thursday, October 4th, after the market close, will Costco Wholesale Corporation report earnings per share above current Wall Street consensus of $2.36? 2 days left for this. Let's look. Quick recap of what earnings per share, EPS, is. Earnings per share is the portion of a company's profit allocated to each outstanding share of common stock. Earnings per share serves as an indicator of a company's profitability. Earnings per share is calculated as net income minus dividends on preferred stock divided by average outstanding shares. And a recap of the consensus estimates. A consensus estimate is a figure based on the combined estimates of analysts covering a public company. Generally, analysts give a consensus for a company's earnings per share and revenue. These figures are most often made for the quarter, fiscal year, and the next year. The size of the company and the number of analysts covering it will dictate the size of the pool from which the estimate is derived. Breaking down consensus estimate. When you hear that a company has missed estimates or beaten estimates, these are references to consensus estimates. Based on projections, models, sentiments, and research, analysts strive to come up with an estimate of what the company will do in the future. Consensus estimates can be found in stock quotations or summaries in common places, such as Wall Street Journal's website, Bloomberg, Morningstar.com, and Google Finance, among other locations. Consensus estimates are market inefficiencies. Consensus estimates comprised of individual analysts' assessments are not an exact science. All reports rely not only on financial statements, i.e. the statement of financial position or balance sheet, statement of comprehensive income or income statement, statement of changes in equity, and statement of cash flows, which may be manipulated by management or other staff with access to company records. They also involve inputs such as footnotes, management commentary, research into the industry overall, peer companies, and a macroeconomic analysis. Analysts will often use inputs from the above data sources and place them into a discounted cash flow model, DCF. The DCF is a method of valuation which uses future free cash flow projections and discounts them using a required annual rate to arrive at a present value estimate. If the present value arrived at is higher than the current market price of the stock, an analyst may come in above consensus. In contrast, if the present value of future cash flows is lower than the price of the stock at the time of calculation, an analyst may conclude that the stock is priced below consensus. So if it's below consensus, that means that it's going to rise. If it's above consensus, that means it's going to crash. All of this leads some pundits to believe that the market is not as efficient as often purported, and that the efficiency is driven by estimates about a multitude of future events that may not be accurate. This might help to explain why a company's stock quickly adjusts to the new information provided by quarterly earnings and revenue numbers when these figures diverge from the consensus estimates. So Costco is currently at $235.25 as of 11:30 p.m. my time, September 30th. September 30th. And so the analysts' range, they typically are pretty dang close to the actual consensus. And they seem to be saying the Q4 earnings are going to be just below 250, above 245, and they're asking 236. Yeah, 236 is what they're thinking here. It seems to be kind of alternating. In Q4 of 2017, it was above their analysts' range. Q1, it was like right on the money, a little bit above maybe. Q2, it was below. Q3, it was above. It was like a little bit above. I think it will. I think Costco's going to do good. I think, but I'm not that sure. 56. It's going to be above 236. And that's it. We're done. All right, y'all. Peace.